It's not because of fear that you have ego. Because you have ego, you have fear. Well, you know what is fear? A debilitating emotion of insecurity and almost your existence is threatened. That is the basis of fear, that you feel at that moment like everything that matters to you is threatened. What is ego? Ego is a very nebulous non-reality, in the sense, by gathering a few memories, ideas, opinions and prejudices, you have formed a nebulous structure that you call as myself. Essentially, it's non-realization of the reality of your existence, your misunderstanding, a collective collage of memories